Well, hi, we're here in Page, Arizona. We're going to do the Beehive Trail. People are calling it the New Wave Trail now, so we'll see how good it is. Of course, we've never been to the Wave. We tried to get in the lottery and the app wouldn't work. So, darn. We just came from Antelope Canyon, though. That was amazing. So we'll see what this is like. Come along with us. This is only a couple miles out of town. Not sure how popular it is, but as I can tell right now, not a lot of markings. There's a current back there that said 1.5 miles. Might be 2 miles.
As you can see, once we got going, there were rocks that lined the trail. In a few spots they were missing, but overall it was very well marked.
We're going to take this little spur. Everybody said don't miss it. So I don't even know if we're a half mile in yet, but there's a spur here that goes to the left, and people say to take it. So we will. So it seems pretty well marked and guided here. Boy, look at this. And I think it gets better as you go along, but pretty impressive. So this must be the end of the trail, the viewpoint. Really spectacular. So we're back on the main loop here. Definitely worth going to that outlook and looking there. We have not yet hit the what they call the New Wave part of the trail yet. We're going to go along and then we'll make a loop and then we'll hit it as we loop back. So far a great trail. Definitely if you're in the Page area, give it a try. It's a nice little trail, not too hard, just a little rock scrambling involved, but nothing overwhelming. If you don't want to hike much, you can actually drive back in here. It's a gravel road. I'm not sure how good it is. So I think this is the wave section of it. I think we go around the rock. Pretty cool. That's where we were over there before for the overlook. This is pretty spectacular. Well, it wraps up our hike of the Beehive Loop, aka the new wave. We have never been to the wave. This was pretty cool, but I have a feeling the wave's a whole much better. But if you're in the Page area, this is really worth it. Come out here, you can scramble around. There's a lot of different rock formations and trails that you can kind of just explore. Till our next adventure, we'll see ya.
After our hike, we went to the Grand Canyon Brewing Company, which had really good beer and good food. We enjoyed a late lunch or an early dinner, depends how you look at it. This concluded our 3 days that we spent in Page. We were only going to spend 2, but we liked it so much we extended one more night at our hotel, La Quinta Inn, which was a very nice place to stay. Just really enjoyed exploring around Page. It seems to be getting fairly popular because of Antelope Canyon, but there's plenty of places to go and explore and hike outside of the Antelope Canyons. So if you're in the area, I'd spend some time in Page.
Thank you for watching our video. Like it if you liked it. Please comment below and subscribe so you can stay current with our adventures.